In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask image with text in VistaCreate. By the end, you'll know how to place a photo inside your letters for that bold, cutout effect you see in modern posters, social posts, and thumbnails. Start by heading to the VistaCreate homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that. Then choose a design size that fits your project. You can open a blank canvas or start from any template. Either one works. Picking the right canvas up front helps you scale your text correctly and avoid resizing later. Once your canvas is open, look for the text tools on the left panel. Open the text section, then find the option called Photo Text. This is a special text object designed to mask an image inside your letters. Click it to add it to your canvas. You'll see placeholder text appear. This is what will hold your image. Next, resize and position the photo text so it fits your canvas. Drag from the corners to scale and use the alignment guides to center it. If your message is longer, reduce the font size or adjust line breaks so everything sits comfortably. Thick, bold fonts work best here because they show more of the photo inside each letter. You can also tweak letter spacing to create more visual breathing room without shrinking the text too much. Now choose the image you want to use. You can select a background from the background section or pick a photo from the photo library. Patterns, textures, landscapes, and high contrast imagery tend to look great inside text. Think about color and detail. Images with clear shapes read better through letters. With your photo selected, drag it directly onto the photo text until you see the highlight indicating it will be placed inside. Release and the image will mask into your text instantly. If the composition isn't perfect, double-click the photo text to adjust the image within it. Zoom in or out, reposition or rotate so the most interesting part lands inside your letters. Subtle adjustments make a big difference in readability. At this stage, refine the overall look. You can change the background color behind the text to boost contrast, adjust letter spacing, or switch to a heavier font if you want more of the image to show. Keep an eye on balance. The goal is clear, legible type that still showcases your photo's texture and color. And that's it. Open VistaCreate, add photo text, fit it to your canvas, choose your image, and drag it into the text for a clean, professional image and text effect.